Hi, Kenny Royals.
Hello.
What was the worst date you've ever been on?
Um, worst date? I think okay. There was this date we went for. I went with a guy, and first time, and we got food and drinks. And usually, whenever I'm going out for dates, I go with my money because of some kind of stuff that can always happen. So the worst one was we went out for this date, we got food and we ate and we drank, stuffs, and this guy, he said it's our first date and so I'm going to be paying for my own bills. And I was like, what? Paying for my bills? Man, that was one of the worst dates I've ever been on.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be?
Any historical figure. I think that would be Fumi Ransom Kuti. Yeah, Fumi Ransom Kuti. Yeah.
If you could switch lives with someone for a day, who would it be?
If I could switch life with someone for a day, Elon Musk. Yes, Elon Musk, because I love his entrepreneurial spirit. I want to know how he's making his money, his initiatives, like innovations. Elon Musk. I'm going for Elon Musk.
What's the most embarrassing song you have on your phone?
The most embarrassing song I have on my phone, I think, is this song. This song that we usually play at the end of the year. Ọdún lọ sópin o, pam pa pam pa.
If you could go back in time and give advice to your younger self, what would it be?
Advice to my younger self. Well, I'll advise my younger self to take more risk and don't be scared of failure. Yeah, because failure is the best teacher. Take more risk and don't be scared of failure.
What's the strangest dream you've ever had?
Strangest dream I've ever had. All those dreams are when you are dreaming and you see spoon and fork running after you. That's one of the strangest dreams I've ever had. Sincerely.
If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
It's rice. I love rice, like Kilode rice on pour.
If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
I think Japan. Yeah, Japan, because of their rich culture. I want to try their food, and I think I love their people. I love the culture. Japan, yeah.
Congratulations, Kenny Royals, and thank you for the Q&A session for TT9.